Hi, today I'm part of me Doogee T20 and I'll show you how to activate quick launch from double press to the power key button on this device. So if you want to launch, for example, the camera app by double press to power key, like in my case, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to the system section. Tap then to the gestures, click to quickly open camera and you will see here quickly open camera switcher. Just click on the switcher to activate this option, and after that by double press to the power key we can see that the camera application successfully activated. If you wanna just turn it off, by the same way click on the switcher and you'll turn off this option. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.